I wanted to show y'all how to make a bird feeder again. I just got some old baling wire that I got from some of my square bells that we make. And this is an easy bird feeder to make from a sunflower. All you gotta do is cut you a piece of wire. So I just got some cutters. I cut my wire right here. And as that sunflower dries out, right now it's drying, you can see the petals are falling off real easy. As it dries out, you'll be able to see the sunflowers in there. And the birds like to peck them out. And you can see that one sunflower right here. The birds like to peck them out and eat them. So an easy way to do that is you can just take your wire and stab it through the back right here. So we're going to take that wire, we'll come right through here, punch it through. We'll slide up, make a little loop. You don't have to do many twists, just a half twist is all you need. And now I'm going to go hang that in my chicken tractor and let the chickens eat it, or I can hang it on my porch and watch the wild birds eat it. So we have our hanger that we made with the wire, and we're going to go put it right here on this wire right here, and then they can peck out all the sunflower seeds as they want to. And this is one way I'm feeding a treat to my chickens in the chicken coop. So you can kind of see the sunflower seeds right there. So there you go, that simple. Let's talk about sunflowers and what I do with them. I'll let you see this one right here. It's about ready to harvest. And then I'm growing a whole bunch of sunflowers over here. You can see them, and they'll get big too. They just haven't got there yet. There's my sunflowers. There's some more corn of mine. And then right in the middle here is some watermelons. So I'm gonna show you what I do with my sunflowers.